Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can repost a reply on a thread. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Tap on the Replies section under the post whose reply you want to repost. After that, tap on the repost icon that is in between the comment and the share icon. Next, tap on the repost, and that's it. This is how you can repost a thread's reply.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.